So the question is, a goat is tied to a pole fixed at the midpoint of the length of a rectangular grassy field of dimension 60 मीटर to 30 by 30 मीटर. ठीक है, तो 60 मीटर to 30 मीटर का बेसिकली एक डायमेंशंस का एक हमारे पास रेक्टेंगुलर ग्रासी फील्ड है. लेट्स सपोज दिस इज द rectangular grassy field, and in that 60 meter is this and 30 meter is this. Okay, now what basically they are saying, there is a rope which is 21-meter long and it is tied at the midpoint of the length. So this is the length, okay, and at the center where it is bounded, and the length of this rope is 21 meter. So we can assume ki only this goat can graze in that area. Okay, only this half semi-sphere area is the portion where she can graze only. Okay, because the it is tied with that rope having the length total of 21 meter, right? So what we have to find, we have to find the area that is grazed by the goat, like the area there is remaining, this area which the goat can graze, this area we have to calculate. So what we can do, firstly we will use the formula to find area of a circle. Now area of a circle, the formula for area of a circle is pi r square, but yes, pi r square, area of a circle is pi r square, but here we can see half hemisphere is present, so we will use half of pi r square. So 1 by 2 into pi's value is 22 upon 7, and the radius is given as, radius will be this 21-meter long rope, this will be the radius. So we will write 21 into 21, will cancel out 7 को 3 पे and will get इसको 11 पे. So finally we will have 11 into 3 into 21. We will multiply this 21 with by 11, 3s are 33, so we'll multiply 21 by 33. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. This will become 3, 9 and 6, 693. So yes, so 693 is the meter square is the area which this goat can graze. Only that we have to find this. So this will be the answer of this question. Okay, so thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. मिलते हैं next video में.